In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a GitHub project on Netlify. Whether you're looking to host a personal project or a more complex application, Netlify provides a straightforward way to publish your site online. And best of all, it comes with a host of features that make managing your project simple and efficient. So let's dive in and get your project up and running. To begin, navigate to netlify.com and sign in to your account. If you don't yet have a Netlify account, you'll need to create one. The sign-in process is quick, and once you're in, you'll be ready to explore the platform's capabilities. When you've logged in successfully, glance to the left of your Netlify dashboard where you'll see a Projects tab. Click on this to delve further into setting up your new project. Next up, locate the button that says Add New Project. This is where you'll initiate the deployment process. Once clicked, a new screen will prompt you to import an existing project. This function is designed to seamlessly link your GitHub repository to Netlify, allowing you to utilize Netlify's powerful deployment services efficiently. Now, select GitHub as your repository provider. This step is crucial because it establishes the connection between Netlify and your GitHub account. After clicking on GitHub, you'll see a list of your repositories. Carefully choose the repository you wish to deploy on Netlify and click on it. Following the repository selection, you'll need to select the team that will manage the project on Netlify. If you're part of multiple teams, ensure you're linking the project to the correct one. This keeps things organized and allows for proper collaboration and management. With the team selected, you'll now be prompted to type in the project name. This name is what you'll use internally on Netlify to identify your project, so pick something distinctive or indicative of the project itself. Following this, type in highlight to ensure your project settings are appropriately configured. At this stage, you have the option to enter a base directory. If your project files are located in a subdirectory within your repository, specify this directory name here. This tells Netlify where to find your project's source and build files. The next optional step involves inputting a build command. If your project requires a specific command to compile or build before deployment, this is where you'll specify it. Once the build command is settled, you can move on to type in the published directory. This is where your finalized production-ready files will be located. If your project outputs files to a particular folder after building, make sure you specify that directory in this field. Finally, the big moment has arrived, the deployment. Click on the deploy button and watch as Netlify processes your project. It may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your build, but once done, you'll have successfully deployed your GitHub project on Netlify. And there you have it. Your project is live and ready to be shared with the world. With this setup, every push you make to your GitHub repository will automatically trigger a new deployment on Netlify, keeping your website up to date with your latest changes. Happy coding!